What is up, financial family? It's your boy Financial eBucks, and I'm back again with another video. So the topic that I'll be discussing in this video today is in regards to why you need to have money work for you. The reason you need to have money work for you is because the one thing you have to realize is that at the end of the day, the United States Federal Reserve and the world government is continuously printing out paper money, regardless of whether you work or not, regardless of whether you save money or not. Why would you save money when they're constantly printing it out? Why would you consistently work when they're consistently printing it out? The one thing you have to realize is that the more paper money they print out, the more your purchasing power is decreasing. The more your purchasing power decreases, the less valuable your money is. So why would you work for an asset that is less valuable? You're giving them all of your time and effort. Those are the two commodities that people would use to just relax and rest at home. But you're going to be going out there and working hard for money. That is devaluing as time passes by because they're continuously printing out more paper money. What you need to do is to have money work for you. Put your money, right? Put your money into assets that are going to generate you cash flow. Let me repeat that again. Put your money into assets that are going to generate you cash flow, like for instance, real estate, right? If you want to do stocks, you can do stocks. I prefer not to do stocks. I would do real estate. I would also do cryptocurrencies, right? Cryptocurrencies won't generate you cash flow. What you'll gain from cryptocurrencies is capital gains. For instance, let's say you invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bullet, Compound, whatever you decide to invest in. And obviously because of the volatility of the market, volatility has a way of either working in your favor or against you. It's going to work against you if you put money in and then you end up losing money. But that same way that you lose money is the same way that you can also gain money, and capital gains will be to your favor and you can take out and win, right? With real estate, what is real estate going to do? Real estate is basically going to generate you cash flow. You put money, not your own money, the government's money, through debt into properties, right? You basically use the debt to fund the properties. You can write it off as depreciation, right? You can write it off as depreciation at the end of the year in taxes, and you also generate cash flow from it. What is that called? That's called an infinite return on investment. That's what everybody should be trying to do, whether it's real estate, whether it's cryptocurrencies, right? Whether it's purchasing hard assets like gold and silver that are going to generate you insurance against inflation, right? They're inflation hedges. Because the thing you have to realize is that inflation is only going to go up even more. Why? Because the Federal Reserve and the government keeps printing out paper money, right? The world government keep printing out paper money. As they keep printing out paper money, the value of their currencies are decreasing in value. They're decreasing. So as they decrease in value, you need to protect yourself. But what would they come out and tell you? They're going to come out and tell you that inflation is transitory, which basically means that it's going to go and come away, or it's coming right now, but then it's eventually going to go away. But they're not going to tell you the truth because they want you to be sleeping in this matrix. So you have to see the way the things are for the way they truly are, and invest in assets that are going to generate you insurance, right? Gold and silver, and invest in assets that are going to generate you cash flow and capital gains, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. If you understand, you understand. If you don't understand, you don't understand. This is going to be the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you go spam that like button, leave comments, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel at Financial eBucks, FINANCIAL. Tap the notification bell to get all the latest videos that I post. And this is going to be the end of this video. This is Financial eBucks, and I'm out, man.